Good morning and Jai Hind all the students. Today we are here with the exercise 14.5, which is based on dividing the lines into two equal parts. And also we have discussed about this exercise earlier also, but today I will be discussing it little more in deeper way. So I think you must be knowing, as we have already discussed in the previous class, how to divide a line into two equal parts. Now I am going ahead with that particular thing only. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बेटा, जब भी हम किसी लाइन को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज आई एम टेकिंग द लाइन 10 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, और 10 को अगर आपने 5 में डिवाइड किया, लाइक बाय यूजिंग द लाइन बाइसेक्टर. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, the earlier line segment was of 10 centimeter. Now this line which I have just now drawn is dividing the previous line into two equal parts, means 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. And if you will see that this line is only that line which is dividing the particular line into two equal parts. So this line will be known as line bisector. Okay, remember, line bisector means a line which divides a line into two equal parts is known as line bisector. And if the same line, it will divide the angle into two equal part, what will be the name? Can you guess it? अगर यही line किसी एंगल को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगी, तब उसको हम क्या नाम बोलेंगे? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी, कैन यू गेस इट? Yes, absolutely correct. We will call angle bisector. I taught you earlier also. Remember, line bisector and angle bisector is the line which divides that particular thing into two equal parts. If it is dividing the angle into two equal parts, we will be calling it angle bisector. If it is dividing line into two equal parts, we will be calling it line bisector. Okay, first name. So remember, ये पहली चीज होगी जिसका नाम आपने मेंशन किया, line bisector. The second name of this line is line of symmetry. Okay, now let me tell you why we are calling it line of symmetry, because you are knowing the earlier line was of 10 centimeter, and this is the line which is dividing this line into two mirror halves. Two mirror halves, two equal mirror halves. This is also 5, this is also 5. So remember, this line will be known as line of symmetry as well. What is the other name of line of symmetry? May I know from you all? Write it down in the chat box. What is the other name of line of symmetry? Wonderful. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. So ये एक और नाम हो गया बेटा. ठीक है, this is one more name, axis of symmetry. And now let me tell you the last but not the least. You are knowing, can you please tell me which shape is this? Which alphabet you can get it like this? Can you tell me which alphabet is this? Tell me faster. L. Okay, very good. It's alphabet L. Now may I know alphabet L reminds you which angle? Can you please tell me? Alphabet L reminds you which angle? 90 degree, okay. 90 degree, fine. Right angle, है ना? It reminds you right angle. So remember, right angle, these two lines are making right angle also. And this line is dividing the particular line into two equal part also. So इसका एक और नाम होगा बेटा perpendicular bisector. अब now understand, आपको एक ही चीज ड्रॉ करनी है, एंड नाम कितने सारे हैं इसके? 4 नेम. लाइक आई एम गिविंग यू वन एग्जांपल. आपका ऑफिशियल नेम इज सपोज अनुराग वर्मा, ठीक है. मम्मी बुलाती हैं सपोज चिंटू, सो एक नाम ये हो गया, ठीक है. स्कूल में आओ तो दोस्त बुलाते हैं लड्डू, ठीक है. सो अनदर नेम गॉट लड्डू, ठीक है. एंड थर्ड नेम कि नाना जी के यहाँ जाओ तो एक अदर नाम होता है जो अनुराग को बुलाया जाता है. तो बात एक ही है, अनुराग एक ही है, बट उसके नाम क्या क्या है? 4 नाम है, ठीक है. सो रिमेंबर ऑलवेज इन दिस चैप्टर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस ओनली. but always you will have different names. One name, line bisector. Second name, line of symmetry. Third name, axis of symmetry. And the fourth name, perpendicular bisector. Okay? So remember, you have to draw the same thing. If out of these four things, any of the thing come to draw, you will be drawing the same particular thing. Okay? So now let us do one question. Write it down, this question, beta. The question is, draw a line of 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, this is the question now. I am sure you must be knowing, because this we have already done it, how to draw this, but let us try along with me. ठीक है, हम सब मिल करके करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. So the first thing which you will see in this question, it is telling you have to draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. So our first work will be to draw a line segment which should be of the measurement 8 centimeter. So I am taking your 8 centimeter. Students, you can choose any other measurement also if you want. Okay, it's not compulsory that you take measurement which I am thinking. You can choose by your own as well. So this is line segment AB. I have given the name AB now. Always remember, whenever you draw perpendicular bisector or line bisector or line of symmetry, anything, you have to use end points. ठीक है, end points means here the end point is A, here the end point is B. So I will be taking my compass and I will be opening it more than half. More than half means you should take till here or maybe here. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं लेना है, बहुत कम भी नहीं लेना है. So it should be more than half, and you will be taking this needle on point A. ठीक है, so now we will be taking point A. We'll cut an arc upside. We'll cut an arc downwards as well. Okay. Now the same thing, I'll be doing it from the other end, that is point B. Now upside and here downwards. I have drawn this, and now I'll be joining this point and this point with the help of scale or ruler. Okay. Now please cross check. Now please cross check this, that whether you are getting both the side 4 centimeter or not. If you are getting both the side 4 centimeter, that means you are doing it exactly right. I am getting exactly 4 centimeter this side, 4 centimeter this side. So my diagram is absolutely correct. So I am giving the name here, can be O, can be M, can be X, can be Y, any name you can give it. Okay, and just check it, that are you getting AO is equals to OB or not. Check it. If yes, it means you are right. If not, you have done little mistake into it. So just check it and let me know whether you are right or wrong. Now students, remember the line, this line, the line which is dividing the line segment into two equal parts and also making the 90-degree angle is known as the line bisector as well and the perpendicular bisector as well and the line of symmetry as well. ठीक है, तो ये वाली जो लाइन हमने ड्रॉ की है इसको आप चाहो तो कोई भी नाम दे सकते हो. You can give the name L also. Remember, this line L is line bisector. This line L is axis of symmetry. This line L is perpendicular bisector as well. Okay, so both the angles are 90 degree. Now I am going to start a next question. Now my next question is, draw a line segment AB of 16 centimeter. In your scale 16 centimeter, if it is not there, you can take any other measurement as well. ठीक है, suppose let us take 10. ठीक है, let us take 10 centimeter only. Now what we have to do, I am giving you this type question that you have to divide this 10 centimeter into 4 equal parts. Okay, suppose the question comes that you have to divide the line segment of 10 centimeter, divide into 4 equal parts. This is the question, suppose. Okay, now let us try this question along with me. So first of all, I will be drawing a line segment AB of 10 centimeters. So I will be taking the line scale now and it will be of 10 centimeter now. I took it 10 centimeter. You also take it 10 centimeter only. The name is again AB because I have given you AB to draw. Akshat, now please understand here, beta. You were telling the ma'am, please explain it again. So I am just doing it once again now. So now what we will do, beta, this AB is of 10 centimeter. Now before we move to 4 equal parts, first we will make 2 equal parts. Okay? By the same process which we have already done it. So I will be taking my compass. I will open it more than half. More than half is compulsory to take, beta. Now upward direction, downward direction. The similar process from end point B, one here up and one here down. Finished. Now I have got 2 equal parts. Now let me join the line. Finished. Now I have done it 2 equal parts of 10 centimeter. Okay. Now you can see, beta, this end is 5 centimeter. This end is also 5 centimeter. Now what I want, in question it was given that you have to divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will be choosing this end and this end separately, and we will be doing once again the 2 equal parts. Now check it how. First of all, give it a name. इसको एक नाम दे दीजिए. Can be any name. Suppose I am taking C here, and now I will be doing the similar process for A and C. Who are not understanding, first look at here and then you do it. Again, more than half for A and C. I took it. Now one time here and one time here. Now once again with the same thing from C, one time up, one time down. I took it this side. Now the similar thing I will do it for C, this side as well, right side, up and down. Same thing from B, up and down. Finished from my end. Now I'm going to join it This is 1, and now this side as well. Finish. Now you can give any name. D and E I have given. You can give any other name as well. Now students, may I know from you all that if we divide 10 centimeter into 4 equal parts, may I know from you all that what should be the measurement of one part? Very good, Sanat. What should be the measurement of one part? May I know from you all? Very good. It should be 2.5. Absolutely correct. So in your line segment, AD should be equal to DC, should be equal to CE, and should be equal to EB. ये सारा का सारा equal होना चाहिए, should be 2.5 centimeter. If you are getting, that means you have done it absolutely correct. And if you are not getting, it means somewhere you have done it wrong. So please check it and let me know whether you are right or not. How many of you are right? Write it down in the chat box. Yes. Students, in this exercise, questions are very logical and very good. If you know the previous concept जो हम लोग already पढ़ चुके हैं, so you will be feeling more interesting doing these questions. Question number 9 is telling here that you have to draw any angle. ठीक है, किसी भी measurement का आपको एक angle draw करना है, and take a point and with vertex O, and you have to draw in such a way that OA should be OB. मतलब OA and AB should be, OA and OB should be equal. Now let's understand. First what I am doing, I am just drawing an angle. अब यहाँ पर लिखा है कोई भी measurement, so I can take of any measurement. I am not even writing what is the measurement of it. ठीक है? So this is one vertex, sorry, one arm, and this is another arm. Now let me measure it. It's telling with the vertex O. So ये वाला हो गया आपके पास vertex O. Now you have to measure that OA and AB, OA and OB. So I am taking the scale. It's 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter OA. And I am also measuring OB. It is not 10. I have to increase little bit more. So it's little bit more now. Yes, now I have got, this is also 10 centimeter, and here I will give the name A, here I will give the name B. Yes, ठीक है? Now I have taken an angle of any degree, and I have made the arms in such a way that both the arms should be of equal length. Now OA and OB in my angle, they are equal. Now may I ask from you all that what measurement you took of OA and OB? Write it down your measurement. आपने क्या लिया है बेटा? OA and OB. Tell me faster. All the students who are doing this question along with me. Okay, sure, ma'am. 12 centimeter. Fine. Sanat 5 centimeter OA and OB. Mini 7 centimeter. Manya 4 centimeter. Okay. Other students, reply faster. What measurement you have taken? Okay, Akshat, both 10 centimeter. Ritisha 5. Okay, 6, 5. Okay, I have read it now. Let's understand अब करना क्या है question में. The question is telling that you have to take the bisector of both the arms separately. आपको पहले OA का bisector बनाना है और उसके बाद OB का bisector बनाना है. कैसे? पहले हम एक चूज करते हैं. Don't do both the question together. First OA का करते हैं. More than half ले लीजिए. ठीक है? और इसका bisector draw करते हैं. देखो, सबसे पहले यहाँ ऊपर कट हुआ, फिर ये नीचे कट हुआ. Then the same thing we will be doing it from here and from here. ये बन गया OA का bisector. पहले इसको draw कर लीजिए. Use the line to join the points. I have joined it. ठीक है? I have joined this. Now I have done the bisector of OA. Now you also do it. After doing, write it down, done. Yes, students, we have made the line bisector of OA. यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया. Now we will do the same process, beta, with line, with this one also, OB. ठीक है? For this, what I will do? I will just take more than half. अब हम बेटा OA को टारगेट नहीं करेंगे, अब हम OB को टारगेट करेंगे. ठीक है? So this is OB. I will take OB more than half, and I will be just taking an arc upside. This is up and this is down. The same thing I'll be doing it from point B as well. Up and down as well. I have done it. Yes, I have completed this, and now I'm going to join it. This is my 1 point, and this I have got 2nd point. Now I'm going to join both the points. Done. Now here, both the points are joining. Both the bisectors are joining on this middle point. Do it till here. Students, let me repeat the process once again, what I did. In this question, first I have made an angle with vertex O. I have made the angle in such a way that arm OA and OB, I have made it equal. ठीक है? I took 10 centimeter. आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो that आप एक एंगल बनाओ और उन पे एक पॉइंट ले लो A and B, और उसके बाद you take such an way that OA and OB should be equal. So both the process are right. If you want to go ahead with that, that is also fine. But now, after making that angle, you have to make the bisector of OA and OB in a proper way. ठीक है? After making the bisector, you will find that both the bisectors are joining at one point. ठीक है? This is the point. Okay, आपके में भी एक point होगा, मेरे में भी एक point है. So please give name P. This point you give name P, and after giving the name P, join PA and PB and check that whether they are of equal length or not. This is PA and this is PB. And please measure it, both the line segment, and find whether they are equal or not. Let me see that whether they are equal or not. In mine, 5.5, and here also I am getting 5.5 exactly. That in my figure, PA and PB both are equal of 5.5 centimeter. Now you also check it that in your figure, is it equal or not? If it is equal, you have done it everything right. Now students, we are doing question number 8 from this exercise. ठीक है? Question number 8 is telling that you have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So first of all, I want you all to please draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. सभी लोगों को draw करना है. There should be a circle with radius 4 centimeter. I am taking little bigger so that I can explain you properly. ठीक है? I am taking the radius 8 centimeter because I need to explain this question. So I want little big diagram. So I am drawing the circle now. Done. ठीक है? My circle is ready. After this, the question is telling, after drawing the circle of radius 4 centimeter, draw any two of its chord and construct the perpendicular bisector of these chords. And it is asking where they are meeting. So I want you all to please draw two chords. अब chords का मतलब होता है when you take 2 points on circumference and you join them, the line segment will be known as chord. I am taking one chord here, giving the name AB. Also drawing one more chord from here and I am giving the name PQ. ठीक है, आप कहीं पर भी मेंशन आप भी कहीं पर भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो बेटा. हाँ, I have drawn two chords named as AB and PQ. Now the question is telling you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of both the chords. In exercise 14.5, each and every question is related to perpendicular bisector only. So what I will do now, I will be just taking more than half radius, what we do it for perpendicular bisector, and I will be drawing the bisector of it. So this is my process of doing 1 and 2. ठीक है, I have done it. Look at here. One was this and another one was this. ठीक है, here also drawn. Now the same, let me draw it first. 1 point I am getting here, 1 point I am getting here. Now I am joining this. Okay. This is my perpendicular bisector which I have drawn it for PQ. Now I will be doing the same thing for chord AB as well. PQ के लिए we have finished it. Now we will be doing the perpendicular bisector of AB as well. Look at here, the same thing, more than half, upside, downside. Same thing from point B, upside and downside. Okay. Now I will be joining that also. This is 1 point and this is second point. And now you have to take the compass, take the ruler and join the perpendicular bisector line. Now you can see beta that both the bisectors are passing through the center. Both the bisectors are coming through the center. If you are also getting the same, that means your diagram is perfectly correct. You write it down. In my figure, it is yes, both the perpendicular bisectors are passing through the center. Now, after drawing this figure, please show me where you have done it. Let me speak once again what I did. First of all, I have made the circle. After making the circle, I have made two chords. After making two chords, I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of both the chords one by one. First, I took the perpendicular bisector of PQ, and then I took perpendicular bisector of AB, and I have seen that both the perpendicular bisectors are passing through the center or not. If they are passing through the center, it means your diagram is correct.